Hi there, welcome back. This is module 2 where we are going to learn how to connect and shape the data. The very first, you should know what are your requirements. That means what is the report name, what is going to be your data source, from where you have to get the data and how you are going to work on that. And everything that should be mentioned into your business requirement document or BRD. So what is BRD? Well, this is our module 2 part 1 where we would talk about the business requirement document. In every organization, whenever there are going to be some kinds of requirement for the report or software development or anything that, then there should be a proper documentation for that. And business is gonna put their all the requirements into that. Generally, there are business analysts who create these documents. They conduct meeting with the businesses as well as with the technical team to make them understand that what are the business requirement. Over here on your screen, now you can see this is a sample document for business requirement. Over here, we are gonna create Adventure Work Sales Report. I have created it myself, but in reality, also you are gonna get to know like this. In your business requirement document, you would find your project name, the date, who has prepared it, different versions. Then you would see something like this. What is the purpose of it? What is the scope? Who are your stakeholders? What is the objective? What are going to be your KPI strengths or tables? For tables, you may find another technical requirement document as well, or functional requirement document. But in this one, I have mentioned in it itself. Then you would have the requirement of the report pages. During this Power BI tutorial, we are going to create 4 different pages in a report. That would be your first sales overview dashboard or the overview page. Then you would have product analysis page, then customer analysis page, and lastly, you would have regional sales page. Other requirements are also going to be mentioned into your business requirement document. The most important part of data is the security. You must secure your data. Even before getting the data or saving it to some place or applying the data quality checks, etc., you must pay attention towards the security of the data. Whenever I conduct interviews with the people, I always ask this very basic question. What is the most important thing when we consider data? And the simple answer is security. If your data is not secure, then no matter what kind of operations you are going to perform on that, it's not going to matter. And the reason is, if your data is going to be in the hands of some unauthorized people, they can misuse it. Data is very important and one of the most precious thing in this modern world. So always secure your data. Now you have an idea what is the business requirement document, and always please ask before starting on any report about the requirements of that report. Also try to get the layout from your business users. What kind of report pages they are looking for, what kind of filters they are looking for, what kind of trends they are looking for. And if they can provide you some kinds of presentations like PPTs, or they can give you some sketches that what kind of reports they are looking for, that would be great. Otherwise, it's going to be like somebody is going to ask you, hey, design or paint a rabbit, but you didn't ask them what kind of rabbit is it, whether its color is white, brown, or something else, what is the age of this rabbit, from where it's coming, etc. Because those are the attributes for that rabbit picture. You should know the specifications. If you don't know, then you are going to just go here and there and you are going to waste your time. So it's very important that you make a solid strategy before starting any project. And that starts with the business requirement document. On the top of it, you can also ask the functional requirement document where all the functional specifications would be mentioned over there. Then next is your technical requirement document where all the table names, functions, etc., or the logics of the code or calculations that you're going to apply is going to be mentioned over there. And then you can prepare also your report design document where you are going to take the screenshots from the report and going to explain each of them. What are these pages, what these pages are doing, and why you have used them. I hope this would give you an idea that how you are going to start your project. And based on this BRD or business requirement document, which I have just shown you, we are going to create a report in this Power BI tutorial, which is going to be a project. Now we are going to move into the second part, but please make sure that you download and check this BRD or business requirement document from the resource material to get the idea of what we are trying to do over here or what are our requirements. Now I'm going to see you in the next module.